Hi folks, in this review we're going to talk about 60-second profits. 60-second profits is a automated binary options trading platform. And what does that mean? Well, it's a product that will actually, after you've deposited say $250 into a brokerage account, you click a little button and it starts the trading process all on its own, and you just let it go and let it do its thing. You can go to bed, and apparently when you wake up, your bank account's supposed to be full. That's what they claim. They claim that there's a 98% accuracy or with the trading platform. Now, my experience has been with these automated type softwares is they're bogus. I mean, really. You may make some money on it, but you know, it's very highly unlikely. I think you can make more money on a slot machine at the casino. Anyway, I've got a few things I'd like to show you. Get into a little bit of the meat and potatoes here. Okay, I guess this is the home page of 60-second profits. Now, if we go over to the next page of it, they have testimonials, a video testimonial, and this apparently is a client of 60-second profits and has purchased the software and is making a lot of money and has bought a lot of freedom from it. Well, surprise, surprise, this is Fiverr.com, and this is where you can hire an actor to do a testimonial for you. Now, does this guy look familiar? See the chair he's sitting in? And there's a big white wall behind him? Let's go back to this picture. Same chair, same wall, same guy. You know, he's an actor. You know, and so how can you trust a company that's trying to sell you a product that's giving you a false testimonial? Obviously, there's something fishy going on there. Now, if you go over to clicksure.com, okay, now clicksure.com is a site where they're launching all these types of products. As you can see, this calendar right here on their site shows all the products that they're launching. A majority of these products are binary option platforms. Excuse me. And, you know, they're not regulated. A lot of these aren't regulated, and it's just a money grab. What happens is this company here, ClickSure, and they're not really liked too much right now. I guess they've been having a lot of problems and issues with launching products that are, you know, that are not even regulated and such. But if you know, really look at it and be sensible about it, you know, it's not worth your time. You're wasting your time with these types of products. So I would urge you to maybe have a look at here and just see if the product that you're interested in is actually being launched by them. Like I say, it's a pretty sketchy deal. Okay, and a good thing that you might want to do is check out the Security and Exchange Commission. They've got some good write-ups and things about the fraud that's been going on with binary options. Among other things, Bank to Binary is you know, looked upon as a pretty shady outfit, and a lot of these trading platforms are dealing with that particular bank. And you also would like to check out the U.S. Commodities Futures Trading Commission. You'll get a lot of information there too. A lot of these binary options trading platforms, they need to, if they're regulated by the CFTC, have to put a disclaimer on the bottom of their advertising. And you know, one thing I should mention, that you need to, when you get into these platforms, and if you go through the process, enter your email address, and basically you can't even get right into there until you've actually made a deposit. But on the very last page, you should be able to access their fact sheets and their policy agreements. Now, their policy agreement, you'll find a lot of stuff in the fine print there that you know, they disclose a lot of times in their advertisements up front that you can withdraw your money right away. But they've got a little hook in there, a lot of these companies, and that little hook is they give you a bonus when you sign up and to make a deposit. Well, that binds you to a contract or a policy that relinquishes you of any control over your money. For example, depositing, say you deposit $1,000 into an account, and you have to trade up to $30,000, say, in 90 days before you can even make a withdrawal on that account. And also, I've seen some writings in their policies about the fact that you pretty much relinquish any kind of control over your money, and that they can actually withdraw money from your account and deny you that money if they choose to. And that's, that's pretty scary. So for me, that brings up a pretty big red flag. I wouldn't even attempt this type of product. Now, I wanted to share with you, I'm an internet marketer, okay, and I train people to make money online. And I'm associated with a business that anybody can get associated with. They got a $7 trial for 7 days, and it's a legitimate business, okay? And it's something that you can check out for the 7 days for the $7. I mean, it's it's about the same price as a latte at Starbucks, right? And what I'll do is I'll leave a link for it at the bottom of the video. And in fact, this company has testimonials on their site when you get in there, and all of those testimonies are real. They're real people, and they're real income disclaimers. But what I can do, I can leave my email address at the below the video here. You can contact me, and I can prove to you that those people are making the money. All right, I can do that. So if you're interested in something like that, just click my link down below. I'll leave my email address. You can get direct contact with me if you have any questions about it. It'd be well worth your while. If you want to make some money, I mean, that's what you're checking this out for, I'm sure. It's all about making some money. And it's a type of business that makes residual income. So it's month to month. So once you get the ball rolling, and the money just starts coming in, and it grows and grows and grows. The more time you invest into it, the more you make out of it, and it's it's a wonderful thing, and you can get to the point where you can just walk away from your day job or whatever it is you're doing. It's that type of business. It gets to that point where it starts to grow on its own and flourishes. It's a wonderful thing. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that link again at the bottom. Check it out, and thanks for watching my review.